And we're very glad the conversation nirathioereirwo ni andu tondu turaikara mahinda maria metagwo technological. Yes. Heka meme keo gakora twagithie muno kamwarafuga technologia. Technologia. Technology ni run most transactions. Yes.
Maundu maingi muno muthi. Somehow somewhat.
Yes.
Mena kaundu ka technology.
Absolutely. Na ni wega twaika tugicanuraga andu aitu. Yeah, matuthikagiriria. Tondu riria uraneana uhoro waku online ri ni kwianika to some level.
Yes.
Yes. Na ni ubati umenye urakinyia ha uhoro ucio. Tore mwothi aturia neme oku mitandao-ini no. Identity thieves. Mundu kuiya document ciaku ciothe na athia handu akerugamirira tari we ararugamirira. Yes. Present himself as you.
As you.
It has happened to people. Kago mundu akiwa ihi nie ndatumirwa ga kodi ngirwa ga accept ngirwa ga to win ke press this gicoka ngigwa ndarutirwo mbeca vengi. Yes. Gicoka ngigwa mbeca cia kwari thimu-ini ni cia hatwo. Yes. We are supposed to be very careful.
Nundu wa kuneana maundu maku muno, especially details cia maundu maku.
Yes.
Cigacoka ikagwa moko-ini ma turia nime.
Yes.
Taru he kaundu da notice umuthe by I don't know whether you have seen it on social media. Ndirecira he kaundu gaka kareko ni kamiti ya ithurano ya IBC ya voter verification ukirora kana uri ku register-ini ya ikia kura. Ndeyuria atiri na no kuyuria as a person tondu ndaingira Facebook ndakora andu aingi muno who are my friends on Facebook. Mundu araigira haria website-ini akahura screenshot.
Yes.
Akameigirira yothe details ciake ciothe cia voter register agekira social media.
Very risky.
Is this not a risk?
No, it is a high risk. Tondu mutandao no twina yo ri it's open to the public. Yes. Na kiria giothe ungikorwo nakio technologically maita maria maingi ni ukoragwo neanite.
Yes.
Yes.
Tondu taru andu acio marekera voter details ciao ri nyamu ina maritwa maku mothe.
Yes.
Na kuria wikagiria kura.
Yes.
What are the details did I see?
Is that the ID number?
Acha dina ngionania namba ya kibandi.
Yes.
No ina maritwa ginya surname.
Yes.
Ina maritwa maku mothe. Na kuria wikagiria kura na tumaundiria. I think this is exposing too much of your your
personal data.
Yes.
Yes. Koguo andu ni mabatie marore na aria mari utongoria-ini kumenya uria kungithondekwo watho wa data protection. Yes.
It is important.
Very. Tondu rimwe uthia ugakora mundu athi website fulani terms and conditions tutithwamaga
atuthia tugite accept all
accept and download. Very risky.
Allow this agake app to access your contact,
your camera, your gallery. Yes.
Even your location.
What's a location? Very risky.
How the handu tugodo tulore na mundu akoragwo ari very careful.
Oh yes.
You just never know.
You never know.
You just never know.
Yes. It is good to be careful. Yes.
Kuhoro wa kuneana maundu maku kila mahali.
Yes.
Especially transaction ginya cia online.
Yes.
Be very careful. Ukineana details.
Yes.
Na always look for credible sites.
Absolutely. Itro na thimu ni cikwiraga ungiseti uguo nekwira this is a trusted site. Yes. Yaku kana nda ku risk. Yes.
No wega kwihugaga tondu matuko mari mambo iko
uhoro wa gwikira mwana waku mutandao-ini cukuru ria thomaga ukimutwara thukuru kwimupik ginya ko ukimutwara out andu makamenya ginya routine ya mwana waku.
Yes.
Yes.
Is a risk.
Ona igwa ndo makiwa mwana ageyu a thukuru ni mundu ina details
ciothe.
Yes.
Ona ni kuri andu ginya ndaru ni kwa guku social media.
Yes.
O handu hothe wathie ri ndiria kiwa ni urugo postaga bica.
Yes.
Ura posti bica no gekira location ya kuri ori.
Yes.
So everybody can tell
where you are and where you are not.
Yes.
Yes.
Riu iyo na no risk muthemba ungi.
Absolutely. Ava kwegita na mundu kwihuga.
Kava kwihuga.
Absolutely.